Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain the Lume Cube Studio Panel lighting kit. This kit features two large, ultra-thin, edge-lit LED panels designed to provide soft, even lighting for your projects. You can easily adjust the brightness from 1 to 100% and fine-tune the color temperature from 2700 to 7500 Kelvin. With a 96 plus CRI rating, you can trust these lights to render colors accurately, making them perfect for any content creator. Controlling your lighting is effortless with this kit. You can use the included wireless remote to adjust both brightness and color temperature, even assigning each light to one of 9 channels for individual control. For direct adjustments, convenient dials are located on the back of each panel. These lights also feature internal rechargeable batteries, offering up to 80 minutes of runtime at full power, or you can plug them into an AC power source for longer shoots. The Lume Cube Studio Panel lighting kit is designed for portability and versatility. Each panel is incredibly compact, measuring about 10.5 by 7.5 by 1 inch and weighing just 1.5 pounds. The included barn doors allow you to precisely shape and direct your light, while the two 70-inch adjustable light stands provide flexible setup options. Everything packs neatly into a custom travel bag, making it ideal for on-the-go creators. This lighting kit is an excellent choice for photographers and videographers seeking professional, portable studio lighting. It's ideal for interviews, product photography, and general content creation, offering a simple yet effective 2-point lighting setup. The Lume Cube Studio Panel lighting kit delivers powerful, soft light in a compact, travel-friendly package, ensuring you achieve stunning visuals whether you're in a studio or on location.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.